Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you today another Love Stitches All crochet hook. So let us take a look at it. I'm kind of excited. So let's start with the free stitch marker she sent. Let me get it up here. And that's really, really pretty. And while I have the card, here is the information, and check her out at Love Stitches All. That's her website, lovestitchesall.com. So check her out, and I'm gonna hold the hook up. Let me see if I can find something so you can see it. Find something white. Alright, this is white. Alright, there it is. Do you see it? Isn't that cool? And this is the hook. Here's the hook. But there's the mermaid in the hook. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I thought you guys would get a kick out of seeing this hook. It's beautiful, and when you turn it around, you can't really see her, but there she is. And the name of this one is called Under the Sea, and I got a 6mm. And there's the hook itself. But one more time, and there is the mermaid in there under the sea. So that is a really cool hook. So go ahead and check out lovestitchesall.com. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. I know I love that hook. I like all their hooks. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.